Good afternoon, everyone. Once again, thanks everyone for joining us back for this second formal session of our Reunion 2020, which is there. Uh, I must share that it was an absolute delight. I was there for quite some time in the hidden mode to listen to brothers sharing stories which continued, and continued. And the reality is that the session never got over in reality. Once again, all thanks to Principal Maharaj, other monastic members, teachers, non-teaching staff. I'm privileged to also see Balramda has joined us over here. This session, the initial part, when we talk about Balramda, though all of us had our lunch today, but we missed the lunch of Vidyapith. That is something, no matter which part of the world we are, we miss that. And to kickstart the session again without taking much time, I will request respected Principal Maharaj to share his words of wisdom and bless us all. After that, we will have the interaction with present Vidyapith brothers, and we have Balramda, we have Danada, and a couple of other members also, all distinguished members. So I will request Principal Maharaj that Maharaj, if you can kindly preside over this entire interaction. Over to you, respected Maharaj.
Thank you, Subrata. Om Namo Bhagavate Ramakrishnaya. I offer my Shashtanga Pranam to revered General Secretary Maharaj, my devoted pranams to revered Swami Sarvapriyanandaji Maharaj, revered Secretary Maharaj, and all revered Sannyasi Maharajas present here. My loving namaskar to dear Brahmachari brothers, special greetings to our esteemed faculty and staff members, and love, respect, and namaskar to dear alumni brothers. It is really a very pleasant experience for all of us to have this wonderful reunion program during this pandemic environment. All credit goes to the alumni brothers who, out of their busy schedule, have remembered their alma mater and Vidyapith family. We are really grateful to you, dear brothers. We are blessed to have the benedictory address from revered General Secretary Maharaj, whom we consider the guardian angel of Deoghar Vidyapith. As the chief executive of the Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission, his blessings and kind guidance always inspire us to move ahead. I, on behalf of all, offer once again our devoted pranams at his holy feet. Getting the opportunity to hear from revered Swami Sarvapriyanandaji Maharaj, or Vishwarup Maharaj, is a bonus for us this time. He is the minister and spiritual leader of the Vedanta Society of New York at present. I am blessed to have him as my Acharya during my monastic training period at Belur Math. And many of our young Sadhu and Brahmachari Maharajas at Deoghar Vidyapith right now are his proud students. Our devoted pranams to him again. Let me start with remembering an incident from Swami Vivekananda's life. He was a wandering monk then, still in India, not so famous. Obviously before attending the Chicago Parliament of Religions. During his journey, he accidentally met brother disciple Swami Turiyananda, Hari Maharaj, at Abu Station Road at Rajasthan. Very emotionally, Swamiji told him, Hari Bhai, I am still unable to understand anything of your so-called religion. But my heart has expanded beyond measure. and I have learned to feel the sufferings of others. Hari Bhai, I am still unable to understand anything of your so-called religion, but my heart has expanded beyond measure, and I have learned to feel the sufferings of others. Believe me, I literally read with pain when anybody suffers. All through his life, Swamiji propagated this message only: expansion of heart, feeling for others. They alone live who live for others. The rest are more dead than alive, Swamiji says. Swami Vivekananda unhesitatingly shares his experience when he says, after so much austerity, I have understood this as the real truth. God is present in every jiva. There is no other God besides that. Who serves jiva serves God indeed. And that is why the motto of the Ramakrishna order is
Tap to speak হয়ে যাচ্ছে
Atmano Mokshartham Jagadhitaya cha. One's own liberation and welfare of the world. As the proud members of Vidyapit family, in whatever position we are, being a sannyasin or a brahmacharin or a teacher or a staff member or as a current student or ex-student, this is our ideal to follow. Vidyapit is not mere an institution only. Rather, it is a philosophy, an ideal, a way of life. It tells us to strive constantly to become great and good. Be good and do good. Be and make. Whatever we may do, in whatever profession we may belong, but the ideal is same for all. Charai veti, chara eva iti. Onward, forward, becoming better day by day. And this is the true spiritual ideal that Vedanta and Ramakrishna Vivekananda represent. Manifestation of the divinity, manifestation of the perfection in our own lives. Swami Vivekananda gives two great definitions of education and religion. What is education? Education is the manifestation of the perfection already in man. What is religion? Religion is the manifestation of the divinity already in man. We should combine both Western science and spirituality in our lives. And this is the message. This is Vidyapit's message. On this auspicious occasion, I wish to bring this ideal in front of our alumni brothers, and obviously to us also. Our alumni brothers are always inseparable members of this Vidyapit family, and they are the true ambassadors of this ideal. They may not be staying in the campus, but they carry Vidyapit in them. They are always our representatives. We very much wish that the bond of this association grows day by day. You should come to the campus very frequently to motivate the current students, becoming their friend, philosopher, and guide. It is obvious that these interactions will be very beneficial for them to plan the future course of their professional and academic life. You may take some special occasional classes if you wish. And many more other ways we may explore if you are with us. We are very happy seeing the recent trend of your involvement with the current generation in Vidyapit. It was a great gesture from your side how you arranged this year's Teachers' Day celebration. The idea of felicitation of the teachers was very noble. I must say. We are grateful beyond measure for such type of endeavor on your behalf. Recently, the updated website of Vidyapit Praktani is also very lucrative. Our congratulations for such a hard work from your side. Another thing also I wish to mention here, as one respected Praktani brother is involved with it. Recently, 6 of our junior classrooms have been upgraded with smart class facilities, along with course contents from Tata ClassEdge. It will definitely upgrade the educational infrastructure and will be instrumental in improving the quality of education imparted to the students. It was possible only by the beneficence and generosity of Sri Gautam Sengupta for his substantial and significant donations to make this project successful. Sri Gautam Sengupta is an illustrious alumnus of Deoghar Vidyapit, 1969 batch. I take this platform to convey our sincere thanks and regards to him. I wish to take this opportunity to convey our heartfelt thanks and gratitude to our respected faculty members, for whom the flag of Vidyapit is flying so high. The recent academic excellence that our students have shown is due to our teachers' dedication, sacrifice, and service, teamwork, and divine grace. This is the secret of the successful journey of Vidyapit throughout all these 98 years. I once again thank dear alumni brothers for arranging this wonderful treat. We must mention the tireless efforts of revered Swami Shushenanandaji, our Kailash Maharaj, and his team of young teachers to make this event successful. All Sannyasi and Brahmachari Maharajas also lend their helping hands for this event. Our respect and gratitude to all of them. Arrangements have been made under the guidance of revered Secretary Maharaj to make live telecast of the evening Arati from Vidyapit this evening. We invite all of you to attend the same. Our humble pranams to revered Secretary Maharaj for taking care of all paraphernalia regarding conducting of this event. I offer my pranam, namaskar, and best wishes to all present here. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Hari Om Tat Sat. Sri Ramakrishna.
No, so somebody from our side should thank Principal Maharaj. I think Swamiji's Principal Maharaj, we should thank him. Absolute words of wisdom. I mean, we had always learned that manifestation of perfection already in man. He's talked about divinity of perfection. That part over there. And second part, which Maharaj you talked about was, whether we can come down and probably, say half an hour without disrupting any of your course curriculum. It would be an absolute pleasure. The amount of knowledge, experience that alumni has gained.
Yes, yes,
that absolutely, Maharaj. That is like you can never find that.
Yeah,
A plethora of variety and the depth of knowledge.
yes.
So that Maharaj is absolutely very dear to our heart, and we will leave it to you. We don't want to disrupt your routine. We don't want to disrupt your discipline. We don't want to come and say something which is absolutely out of the order.
No.
It's easy to go down and say. Absolutely, yes. Maharaj. For me, it's easy to go down and say you something. But when it comes down to implementing it, you know what the problems you face with class 6 boys, class 7 boys, class 8 boys, right? So Maharaj, that way. But somebody from the group, anybody who could thank you. Balaji, why don't you take over? Thank Maharaj.
Please.
Because our
Vikas,
humble
you do it.
request is that on our behalf, kindly do the honors.
No, Balaji, you will do it. Subrat will do it. Rahul is on the call. आप लोग कीजिए, आप लोग कीजिए, आप लोग कीजिए.
Balada,
There is nothing such to thank me. We are.
Nah, Maharaj, but I mean, it was absolutely resonating
Yeah.
with what you don't get to know on our WhatsApp groups, on our this thing. This is exactly what we are wanting, and you have actually resonated. So that's where the thanks comes in from. It's from the heart. It's nothing a formality or nothing of that sort.
Yes, yes, obviously. Thank you very much.
So, Subrat, बोलिए आप.
no, I will request Prashant Tibrewal to do the honors.
प्रशांत है, नहीं तो मनीष भी है, मनीष प्रियदर्शी भी है, उसको भी anybody. I mean, Manish
I am. It's okay. It's okay.
No. Prashant, if you can just do the needful.
Yes, Bilkul, Subrata, thank you. And I find myself in good position to thank Maharaj, especially because I've been in touch with him for last few days to organize all this.
Yes.
And he has been available for us so much. He's gone out of way, like Subrata said in the first session, that anything we requested, there was no question whether it will be done or not. The second part of the conversation was how should we do it. So and of course, on this note, I'll also thank Kailash Maharaj, who Arijit Maharaj brought into picture during his conversation, that he has been a great support, which some part of it we are aware through these sessions, but like Maharaj mentioned before, he has been instrumental in setting up, the smart classes that we're talking of, or the entire transition to COVID, which a lot of institutes found it very difficult. And for a school like Vidyapeeth, which has run in traditional form for so long, I think for us to shift was a let's call it an inflection point, because there are great things that are possible now with the alumni like us out there around the world. And certainly, like Bikasda said, Maharaj, your feelings are very much motivating and aligned with what we all want to do for Vidyapeeth. So your being there and your support is going to push us do much more, and we will be in constant touch with you to understand what more and to what depth we can go to contribute to Vidyapeeth and the students and their careers and their success. So thank you again, Maharaj, for your motivating speech. And now I would request you to